Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious toffee yum-yums. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. For the dry ingredients, have 2 cups of all-purpose flour measured out. Finally, prepare 1 cup of your favorite toffee bits, which will give these treats their signature crunch and flavor. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your ingredients, let's start making the dough. In a large bowl, cream together the softened unsalted butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a tender texture. Next, beat in the vanilla extract and the pinch of salt until they are fully combined. Gradually add the all-purpose flour, mixing on low speed until it's just incorporated. Be careful not to overmix. Finally, gently fold in the chopped toffee bits, ensuring they are distributed evenly throughout the dough. With your dough ready, it's time to bake these delightful treats. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Roll the dough into small, 1-inch balls and place them about 2 inches apart on a prepared baking sheet. Bake them for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden brown. The centers should still be slightly soft. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy the aroma. Your toffee yum-yums are almost ready to be enjoyed. For an extra touch of sweetness and a beautiful presentation, you can dust the cooled cookies with a light sprinkle of powdered sugar. Store any leftover yum-yums in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will stay fresh for up to 5 days. They are perfect for a quick snack or a delightful dessert. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Share your delicious homemade toffee yum-yums with friends and family. They'll surely love them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.